In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add bank feeds in QuickBooks Online. This is a handy feature, particularly if you're aiming to streamline your financial processes by automatically importing transactions right into your accounting system. QuickBooks Online allows you to effortlessly track and manage your cash flow, minimizing the manual data entry required, and this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. Ensure you have your login information ready and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once there, simply click on Sign In. If you don't have a QuickBooks account, you'll need to set one up by following the on-screen instructions for creating a new account. Next, select the option for QuickBooks Online. This will direct you to your QuickBooks Online dashboard where you'll have access to all the tools you need to manage your finances seamlessly. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct to avoid any login errors. Double check these details before clicking Continue. Once you're logged in successfully, you're ready to add your bank feeds. Now let's head over to the next part. You'll want to navigate to the Bank Transactions tab in your QuickBooks dashboard. You can find it by looking for a link or menu item labeled Banking or Transactions. Clicking here will open up a variety of options related to your account actions and banking needs, setting the stage for the next step. Once you're on the Bank Transactions page, look towards the top right corner for the Link Account button. It might be a little tricky to find at first, but it's usually prominently displayed. Clicking on Link Account will trigger a new window where you can choose the specific account type you want to connect, such as credit cards or bank accounts. Select your bank or credit card details. QuickBooks provides a list of institutions. Simply scroll through to find and select yours. If your bank is not listed, you might need to manually download and upload transaction data, but for most major banks this won't be necessary. Once you've selected your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your banking credentials. This step is crucial for allowing QuickBooks to securely connect to your bank account. Finally, proceed by logging in to connect or link your credit card or bank account. This process might take a few minutes, but it's essential for QuickBooks to authenticate and establish a direct connection with your bank. By completing this, you ensure that your financial transactions are automatically synced, saving you both time and effort in the future. And there you have it, you've successfully added your bank feeds in QuickBooks Online. This simple process will help you keep your financial data organized and up to date, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business efficiently. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your finances.